Welcome back guys to another video, and today we are going to take a look at the newest version of Winminer, version 1.111. So Winminer is pretty simple one-click miner, just like a lot of other ones like nicehash or some other alternatives, and if you just press the start button right here, it will automatically start mining the most profitable coin without even having to run benchmarks, because it knows what is the most profitable for other people that have run benchmarks for the same GPU that you have, so it automatically starts to mine that coin. You have few options right here. You can select if you want to mine with your CPU, if you want to mine with your GPU, or if you want to mine with both of them at the same time. Now let's take a look at some of the options that it has a bunch of. You click on settings and you have this window right here. So first thing you have here is general settings, and the things I like here is that you can start this application, this Winminer, when your Windows boots up, and it can start mining automatically if you lose power or if your PC restarts after the Windows update. You can start mining even minimized if you want, and that is it from the general mode. If you go to this tab here that is called mode, you have few settings here. You can start mining automatically, which means that if your PC is idle for 5 minutes, or you can set it up to 2, 3, or how many minutes you want, it will start mining automatically. And your PC goes into the idle mode when your mouse cursor is not moving, so if you have to go somewhere, you don't have to worry if you forgot to start your miner or something like that. You can just set it to like 5 or 10 minutes, and when you are not with your PC, you will start mining automatically and earning some money. Over here, if you have always on farm mode, this means that your computer will be mining all the time and you can stop it. Even if your PC restarts, it will just start mining, and there is no way to stop it unless you go here and just press this button that will say then stop. The third option you have right here is called manual mode, and this is what I use for my PC, because if I just want to mine, I press start button, and if I want to stop, I press stop button. I don't have to worry that my PC will mine without me noticing it and cripple my performance when I don't notice it. And the third tab here, this is where it starts getting interesting, it's the coins tab. So this is what nicehash has a lot of problems with, this auto switching. You can actually set it up to any percentage you want, and if you have it set up to maybe, for example, only 1%, then it will start mining other coin automatically when that coin is 1% more profitable. But this is not a good idea, because coins change many times per day, and some of the coins change like every 1 or 2 minutes from most profitable to least profitable if you have set it up to 1%, and it will start to mine and then change it up again, start to mine and change it up again, and you will lose a lot of downtime because your miner will have to start again, close, start again. So the best thing to do is set it up to something like 5 to 10% range, and this seems to be the most profitable. I have set it up to 10%, but you can do it to 5%. It will give you almost the same profits. Over here, you can select which coin specifically you want to mine. You can set it up to recommended, and it will mine the most profitable coin and change it automatically. But if you wanna, for example, mine only Ethereum Classic, you can deselect all of the other coins and leave only Ethereum Classic selected, and you will be mining only Ethereum Classic. But you won't get paid in Ethereum Classic, you will get paid in some other options that we will take a look later on. The fourth tab we have right here is called miners, and you can actually select every algorithm that you want to use or you don't want to use for your mining rig. If, for example, you can see that CC miner skunk is giving you some problems, you can just disable it. Or if you see that maybe the most profitable thing to do is only run a NeoScript, you can deselect all other options and only leave NeoScript selected, and you will be mining with NeoScript CC miner version 2.2.3 every time. So the next thing you have right here is called benchmarks, and it has few very interesting options. The express option means that when you start mining, you will automatically start mining without needing to run benchmarks, because as I said earlier, other people have run benchmarks and the program knows which is the most profitable thing to mine on your GPU, and it will automatically start to mine that without you needing to run benchmarks. But it will actually run benchmarks in the background when it will have like 1 or 2 minutes downtime. Then it will start to run some other benchmarks, you will get paid for them, and it will save that data for all other people to use. But if you just wanna set this program up real quick and you just wanna press one button, start mining without needing to set up anything, then you use this express option right here. The next option we have right here is called full, but full actually takes really long time to finish, and it will start to run and mine every single coin with every single algorithm it can until it finds the most profitable coin. But I tried it, and the best thing to do is just use the express option. You won't actually lose many hash rates. It will probably be about 1 or 2% less than with a full option. So just use express option if you don't want to lose like 1 or 2 hours running the full option. The next tab you have right here is called job decisions, and when you start mining, you will have this filled up with some algorithms, with devices that the algorithms run and on the profitability of each and every device that you have in your mining rig. So this is really great. You can see through the night how your miners run and what were your profits and what was the most profitable thing to run. And the best thing about Winminer that I really like is this withdrawal tab right here. Give it some time to load. And over here you have 7 different options that you can get your money from mining with Winminer. You can get actually paid in Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin, in Amazon gift cards, in Payer, and the best thing that you can get paid is in PayPal. The PayPal has minimum to withdraw of $20 and a maximum to withdraw of $1,000. And this is really great, and I would really like it for some other miners to incorporate that into their own miners, because some people really want to get paid in PayPal. They don't care about taxes, which they still should pay even if they get paid on PayPal. They just want to buy something on eBay or on Steam or something like that, and they don't want to convert their Bitcoin or Litecoin on Coinbase, then transfer it to their credit card and then buy something. They just want to do it really fast and get paid on PayPal, spend it every day, and maybe get some little things from their mining rig. So everything that I've said until now looks really great, and why would anyone use nicehash if Winminer is so great? It has a bunch of options that other programs don't have, but there is a problem with one really important thing, and that is profits. As you can see, I have GTX 180 Ti in my PC, and it currently uses 30 watts of electricity. It runs at 43 degrees Celsius, and the fans are at 0 RPM. But if I start this miner, you will see that it will start mining soon. It will start mining Zen at about 700 hashes per second and about 250 watts of electricity, and profits will be about $2. Just give it some time to load. It will be probably done in few seconds. So you can see that we are getting 697 hashes per second and only $1.73 per day per one GTX 180 Ti. Now I'm gonna do in next video comparison between nicehash and Winminer profits, so you'll be able to see how much nicehash is earning with the same hardware that I use here with Winminer, and I can tell you that it is a lot more than with Winminer. So Winminer is great, it has a lot of options, it is user friendly, you can just click and start mining, but the profits are really bad. And that's why Winminer is not as popular as some other programs, and I hope they fix that, they implement some other algorithms that are more profitable, and that we can see more people starting to use Winminer. So let me know what kind of miner you are using, and if you're actually even using Winminer or something else like nicehash or Asa miner, and what kind of miner would you like me to review in another video. So thank you guys for watching, I really appreciate it, and see you soon in another video. Bye.